How to limit social media use on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Settings allow you to manage and customize various aspects of your device. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Screen Time provides insights into how much time you spend on your device. Inside the Screen Time menu, tap on App Limits as shown. Now, tap on Add Limit and then tap on Social. After selecting, tap on Next in the top right corner. Use the time picker to set your desired daily limit. Once you have set the time, tap the check mark in the top right corner. The new limit is now active, as shown by the toggle switch. Following these steps, you can easily limit social media use on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.